Invictus Motors presents this very well looked after Porsche Boxster 986 2.7 Tiptronic S. It has 17-inch Porsche Sports Classic alloys, 3-spoke black leather steering wheel, 6-speaker sound system, automatic full climate control. It has mobile telephone connectivity, which is an aftermarket system. It works extremely well with the car system. You're able to listen both to your music and make and receive telephone calls. It has a glass wind deflector, carbon aluminium Tiptronic gear shift and handbrake, has an internal headlight cleaning system. All in all, the car's interior is all leather. There's no scuffs, marks, scratches. Well looked after, well maintained. This car has a full service history. It was last serviced at 52,000 miles. The car is ready to go, to be driven away from the forecourt. It does not require an MOT, does not require a service. It comes with a free 3 months warranty, a 1 year's AA breakdown cover. Finance is available at very competitive rates.